Hey guys, I just got finished doing some yoga. I decided to start doing yoga because I figured that would actually be the safest thing to do to get back in shape. I used to play soccer, but I learned from the last couple times that I picked it up after not doing anything that I'm really liable to hurt myself, pulling something or just hurting my back just because I haven't done anything, and my back's like, hey, you haven't used me, you didn't tell me about this. And so yoga, I hear, is supposed to be great for building up strength and flexibility and your core, and I can definitely use that. So luckily I have some friends that do yoga, and I was able to borrow a DVD instructional video that I got. It was okay, but it's surprising how much sweat comes out just from standing in certain poses. Yeah, hopefully after weeks and months of this, I should feel perfectly fine walking upstairs or playing soccer. Want to say thanks to Mike and Seth. No, I'm going to have to do this again because that's embarrassing. Who was it? You guys look the same, that's why I have that problem. Indie Conversation, and it was... Yes, it was Seth, outside, that's right, who talked about the regrets they might have had in the past. One of the things I guess I found is that it's not so much game development so much as software architecture, because I've talked to a number of people about this, and they keep telling me, why are you writing all the code yourself? And it's like, because there's nothing I could use that's just for Linux and 2D, or not just for Linux, but that's portable to Linux, and I can do development on Linux. So people tell me that Unity actually has a deployment to Linux, but if I can't work on it in Linux, then I'm not going to feel like I can use it. So software architecture is where I tend to struggle, just because I don't have as much practice using it as much. In the past, before, when I was at the day job, I basically wrote code where it needed to be in some existing architecture. Now I'm kind of writing it myself, so that's one thing I wish I'm actually doing. I actually started watching Google Tech Talks on software architecture and reading up on articles, and I haven't done stuff like this instead of working since I had a day job. Well, anyways, I'm going to go get some water, and yeah.